So hey guys, this is Deosh Patel, your host from the channel The Verdict. Today we'll be talking about watches. We'll be talking about watches which are ranging from the pricing of 10 to 25,000 rupees. So let's dive into it.
The first watch of today, which we are looking at, is the Timex T-Wag. So this watch is start from around 9,600 rupees. These are automatic watches which are powered by an Miyota Movement, which is a Swiss watch movement making company. So the T-Wag is actually a series of watches which ranges from 9,600 to 10,000 odd rupees. You can search the availability of these models in online shopping platforms like Amazon and Timex.com. So the next watch today is actually an Indian watch, which is the Titan Mechanical Automatic Series watch. This is also a whole series of watches which ranges from about 10,120 rupees to 13,000 rupees. These are powered by an Indian automatic movement, which are actually quite fairly very reliable. And these watches dials are very stunning. They have very stunning and highly detailed dials. They the range of these watches are, as you can see, this is the whole range of the Titan mechanical watches, which ranges from 10 to 13 or 14,000. Then the next watches that we have are watches which are currently very much in trend, which are minimalist Seiko SUR 301P1 watches. This watch are a minimalist design, and minimalist watches like Daniel Wellington, as you would have heard of, are very much in fashion. But I didn't recommend Daniel Wellington to you because Daniel Wellington are basically made out of cheap Chinese quartz movements. So this is a watch from Seiko, which is a very good Japanese company which has a lot of watchmaking heritage, and the movement in these watches are very sought after. This is also available in on white dial in around about 10,000 rupees, and these watches are 100-meter water resistant and do look very elegant on your wrist. The other watch which we have today is again a pure Swiss watch with an announced movement, which is a Swatch System 51. Swatches people do say are watch of kids, but generally Swatch is not that. This watch is around about 13,200. It is powered by an in-house Swiss movement made by Seiko. The other watch in the System 51 range that we have uh, today is the Swatch System 51 Blue watch, which is generally not very much available in the market. You will be lucky if you find it. It generally goes out of stock very soon when it comes in the range. But yes, this is also a very good watch, and if you can get it, this watch is a very elegant and a very nice watch on your wrist. Next, we'll be moving towards if you want a very rugged watch in your with you, which basically you can do anything with, which is a shock resistant watch. And in this price point, rugged watches, there is only one name coming to our mind, which is the G-Shock. This particular model is G-Shock G662. This is a twin sensor G-Shock with a green band. You can get different G62s in different band and dial combinations, but this is one of the finest G-Shocks on the range with all the G-Shock features that you need. So now we'll be moving on towards the range of 15,000 to 20,000 rupees of watches. So let's get that on. First watch in the 15 to 20,000 price point is in Citizen Eco Drive. So the Eco Drive complication in Citizen means that it is a battery powered watch which the battery is charged by sun rays. So it is also a chronograph watch. It is a beautiful Citizen watch. And Citizen Eco Drive is a very heritage series of this company. So now the other watch, or let me say the range of watches that we have in this price point, is the Seiko 5. And Seiko 5 are one of the nicest watches in this price point of, I think, 18 to 20,000. There are many watches with different dial and band combinations. There are bracelets and NATO straps and leather straps of Seiko 5s. But Seiko 5 basically is a functional name which stands for five basic elements of watches that it should have. So these five elements are: one, an automatic movement; second, water resistance; third, day complication; fourth, date complication; and the fifth aspect of this watch is shockproof. So, and I highly recommend the Seiko 5 series of watches. These are very nice and value for money watches. These are basically bang for buck watches which will last you for, I think, generations. So the other watch which we will be looking at in this price range is the Zeppelin analog watch with an automatic movement. So these watch L127. These are Zeppelin is a German company. These are very well take care after watches and with a lot of nice complication and a good watch movement built. This watch basically comes in three colors, which is a black, white, and an very beautiful orange color dial, which you can just search Zeppelin watch around this price point, and you will get these three watches on the top. Now, the other watch which we will be looking at is another Citizen Eco Drive. This is a watch with a day with an eco drive complication and chronograph complication and a minute repeater complication also with R and a 24-hour clock. So this is also a similarly powered watch by battery and an sun rays combination. This is a beautiful watch on a bracelet, and it's
A very good and a very chunky man's watch. This is a very manly watch in this price point. So now we will be moving on to our next and the last price point in today's video, which is from 20 to 25.
the 20 to 25,000 price point. First, we have the Seiko 5 All Black Edition. So the price here is showing about 24,500 rupees. But I know if you bargain with the Helios watch stores, you can get it in around 21,000 rupees. This is again a Seiko 5 complication watch, and but it is made from ceramic and black GMT bezel. So the other watch that we have in this price point is Victorinox. Victorinox is basically a company of watches which makes Swiss quartz movement watches, which are highly known for their handy feel. So if a man or a person wants to wear a watch to feel premiumness and plushness, I think Victorinox is the way to go for you all. So this is the Victorinox Mavericks edition. So we have the next watch which we have is also a Victorinox. This is a more complicated Victorinox. So this is not the Victorinox, which is this not does not have that weight feeling, but it is a good complicated watch with the premium build of the brand, and also this is a chronograph and a minute repeater. The other watch that we have in this price point is again a Zeppelin. We have the Zeppelin moon phase complication. So moon phase are basically very highly complicated watches and very highly sought after watches. I mean, Zeppelin also, in the other hand, is a very highly sought after watch. This Zeppelin has an Heisenberg Swiss quartz movement with a moon phase calendar. So this is a very hard complication to build in a watch. It is definitely worth its price. The other watch that we have is again one more Zeppelin. This is the Zeppelin Ultimate chronograph watch. So with an 2 second counter, as you can see in this watch. So this is the Ultimate Chronograph LZ127 series. This is also a very good watch around about this price point. So the next watch that we have is a Tissot Automatic T Classic, which is this black tea classic. I know the price here is showing 29,500. This is sold from Ethos Watches, which is the largest watch dealer in India. But if you call Ethos, then generally you get a deal of this watch around about 23 to 22,000 rupees, or at the max, it is around 24, 25,000 rupees. This is a watch with a lot of heritage. The movement of this watch is the 19 Joule Tissot Powermatic 80 movement. This has a 72-hour power reserve and is made up of steel, and it has sapphire crystal glass, which is a very high quality glass in this segment. So this was the last watch on the 20 to 25,000 price point.
This was
Uh,
my video about watches from 10 to 25,000 rupees. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you don't like this video, hang around for the next one.